Welcome, my name is Elsie Walker, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to use a free online resource called Google Forms. So the first step in this process is to log on to your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, it's very easy to create one. Here I already have my username all typed in, so I'm just going to add my password. This will direct you to your email account for Gmail. And once you're inside, you are going to go up to this top right-hand corner and click on this apps button, your Google Launcher, and it's going to give you quite a few different options: Google Drive, Gmail, Calendar. We're going to hit more and then even more because we're looking for Google Forms. So you can scroll down, and this is just showing you all the different apps that are available through Google. Most of them are free, so there's a lot of really fun stuff to play around with. Here under Home and Office, we find Google Forms. So we're going to click on this. It's a very underappreciated, under-recognized form, or app, I should say, that Google supplies. A lot of people don't know about it, so that's why I want to just show you how easy and simple this is to use. So we get prompted to this page right here, and it's just a blank Google form. Google Forms are often used for surveys, but they have more than just that use. You can use this if an event sign-in registration, if you wanted to do that online, if you wanted to just take a quick poll, if you wanted to create a pop quiz, or even something as simple as collecting emails from a group of people remotely. You can use Google Forms to do that. For today's tutorial purposes, I am going to create a list for a surprise party for Jimmy. Okay, under that we can do form description if you want to add something else like happy 5th birthday, buddy. And then the next step that you're going to take once you have titled your Google form is to add some questions. So for this surprise birthday, first question I'm going to ask is, will you be able to attend the party on 4/25? Help text is down here just to clarify a question if it's a little more complicated. This one's pretty easy, so we're just going to leave it at that. And then we also have question type. So if you go and click on question type, you can see that there's quite a few different options. You can explore all these different options, play around with them sometime. For now, I'm just going to do a multiple choice because this is a simple yes or no question. Then we hit done. So we have the first question there, awesome. If you do want to add a second question, a third question, whatnot, we're going to hit the add item button. And the second question, we can do something such as, what food would you like to bring to the party? Now, instead of a multiple choice question type, this would be better suited for something like a text, because then people can add in what they want without such a limited choice menu. So for this, we're going to hit done. Beautiful. We have a couple of questions here. We're well on our way to creating a really awesome form. But as you can see, it's a little bit plain. So one great thing about Google Forms is that it's so easy to make a form look really great and then make it very user-friendly. So by going up here to change theme, we're going to click on this, and that'll make this menu on the right-hand side pop up here. Lots of different options for you to choose from. You can do just a default theme. We can do all these little fun themes, a skyline, farm. Let's see, this one's a game night, a library. So there's many different things that would fit a lot of different situations. For this one, I kind of like this fair theme, so I'm going to click on that. And it's really nice. It just shows you the theme and how it looks really polished and put together. So after we're done with that, we can go back to edit questions so that we can see the full menu. Keep in mind too with the themes, you can always add a picture. You can do a custom theme, customize, and you can add maybe like your logo for your company or something of that sort to really personalize it. All right, so by creating the form, that's really just the first step that we need to take. The second step is distributing the form. So one of the great things about Google Forms is if we go up to File, we can add collaborators. And this is just a really great feature. What it does is it allows you to go onto the bottom here and invite people, and you can type in someone's name. Let's see, Gigi here, and we can add her as a collaborator. So when I submit this to Gigi, she will be able to go into this form. I'm going to click Done. And she'll be able to edit the question. She'll be able to add another response or a whole separate question in general. And it will pop up in live feed just here with another question saying that another person submitted it. So it's really great. Two heads are so often better than one, and you can really collaborate with like-minded people, and it can really make the result that much better. After you've decided to collaborate with some friends, we can go back to File and hit Send Form. Now this window will pop up, and this is how you really distribute the form and get it out so that people can respond and you can really get some great information back. First choice is a link to share. This is pretty self-explanatory. You can put this link anywhere, and when people click on it, it will send them to your form, and they can add all their responses in that way. We also have the social media choices. You can share this on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and your friends can click on it that way. Or even just by typing in someone's email address, you could send it to them. So we can do that. And we're going to send it this way. We can also, when we go into Send Form, another cool feature is the embed code. It's just that easy. You click on this and copy and paste this code to either someone's email. And then when they click on the email, they won't even have to leave the page because it will be right there. The image will be right there embedded in on their email. You can even insert this into a blog if you happen to have a blog and you would like your readers and subscribers to take a poll or answer a survey, even RSVP you to a birthday party or some event. You can just put this right into your blog, and it's just that easy. The next part after you distribute the form is to actually collect the data. And so one of the greatest things about Google Forms is that it really organizes it and analyzes data so easily and makes it just super user-friendly. So we can click here at View Responses, and it's going to prompt us to a spreadsheet. And this spreadsheet doesn't have anything on it yet because this form is so new, but it has a timestamp. So anytime someone goes into the form, accesses the form, and answers the question, it'll tell you exactly when they did so. And then it'll go into every individual question and give you their response. So you can invite as many people as you would like to access your forums. You can make it public, and all of those people will just fill up this page with your different responses. All right. Now we can go back to this form. So as you can see, we can view this live form here, and I will show you exactly what other people will see when they access your form. It's a really great way to distribute information and to get people's feedback quickly in an organized fashion. So I hope that you take the time to explore Google Forms, see how it could work for you, and utilize it because it's a very great free resource that everyone can utilize. in a very good way. For your time, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and take care, Google on.